Oh, good morning, my darlings. I've upgraded, what do you think, to my own brand new spanking door closer. I've put it on a different way around, but it looks amazing. Oh, what a lovely close. Shall we see that again? I think we shall, from the top angle this time. Opens towards the door hinge. I like it that way. It's better, isn't it? Oh, so perfect, darlings. Let's catch it from the top. Oh, look at that. Fucking amazeballs. I've done the kitchen the same. Oh, doesn't it look lovely? Oh, I'm going to have to do that again, I think. Fast pitch, it's lovely without banging. And the same with the kitchen. Reverse way around. Because otherwise the door's too fucking strong to open otherwise. It's just nice just to be able to push the door open with one hand. But it's quite strong when it shuts, that's the main thing. It was a lovely close. Brand spanking new, my darlings. Cost me £58 online. Doesn't it look gorgeous? When you fit it round this way, it will still close the door and it won't fail a fire and health and safety check. It'll be fine because it opens with ease, but when it closes with force. That's what I like about putting it around that way. Oh, it's beautiful, my darlings. Oh, doesn't she glisten? Oh, you beautiful bastard. Oh, it's so brand new and sparkly. Oh, we're going to have to see that again from the top view, I think. Oh, bollocks. Ready? Let go. Treat yourself to a door closer today. They save lives. The reason why I've got one on my kitchen door is so if there ever was a fire, the door's always closed. And the same with the toilet door. Absolutely beautiful. See that one last time. Excuse me, pantaloons. Marvellous.